Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix Mcuicnt.exe entry point not found error, then let's look at the solution. So this error basically occurs when you uninstall the McAfee software, the antivirus, anti-malware software from the system through using the normal Windows system uninstall. So some of these components are not installed uninstalled completely, and that causes this exact error. So to resolve this error, we have a McAfee special tool itself, which is made by McAfee, and that is called the MCPR tool. So how do we download this? Let me show you. So let us look for McAfee TS 101331. So this is the name, this is the number given to the tool. Okay, so let's look at this again. McAfee MCAFEE space TS 101331. Okay, when you search for that, you will get how to uninstall your McAfee product from a Windows PC. Click on this link. All right. Now we'll go down the page. So the first thing McAfee says is remove using the standard Windows removal method. So we did that. But since some of the components are left back using the standard Windows removal method, we will use the second method. Remove using the McAfee Consumer Product Tool, MCPR. So expand this and go down. Now here it comes, download the MCPR tool. Fine. Click on that and it will download. Now open the file. Click yes. It will say extracting files. Okay, let's click on next. Then click on agree. Next. And we will enter the code given here. Right? That is a security validation code. Click next and it should run on its own. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.